Welcome! We are a team of online education experts ready to make your learning engaging and effective. Forget about boundaries. We offer learning anywhere, anytime, adapting to your lifestyle. Results-oriented learning. We don't just convey information, we help you achieve your goals. Our goal is your success. We're ready to support you at every stage of your learning journey, helping you overcome challenges and reach new heights. Student community. Connect with like-minded individuals, exchange experiences, and build valuable connections for your future success. Start your journey to new knowledge and opportunities today. Join us and discover the world of endless possibilities in online education.